The thing was here. But the rain, yeah, there. See a continuation of the other rain video, but I have my light. It's just okay. Whatever. But now we got light. It's very bright. It's very bright. Now I oh wow, why did it? Damn boy. Mommy, it's in my tender store. I put the away so you guys see Mom's face. Look at what this umbrella has got. Look at this guy. Look at this sky in the night, and there's just clouds. Mommy, one more time, not read this. Maybe some like stop.
You are umbrella.
He was afraid. Allah. Shabalala. Maybe this way. It's yoink. Let me just yoink. I'm gonna put the foam protection on this. Don't worry. Not banning. Oh! I swear if this thing falls one more goddamn time, I swear to God.
Wow.
Just turn this to my right. Bad game, yeah. If you are subscribed and you watch my video, you need to subscribe to join the band game. Band game's only accessible for a short period of time. Subscribe or you're not part of the bad crew. Bad game. Subscribe and like this video right now. Oh my. To my right. So here I'm just gonna put my phone here. I don't know what the hell is happening. do stuff. We do stuff. What is? I don't know what that even is. It definitely makes it. Lag. Oh my god! That was not part of the plan. The phone went flying. The phone literally just went flying for no reason. I don't know why that just happened. Let's do that. I'm gonna poke this up your ass in your face. Subscribe or else. You didn't subscribe? Well, that's unfortunate.